Questions 8 and 9. How would you transform the graph of f of x equals x squared to produce the graph of the function k of x equals negative 1/2 parentheses x plus 4 to the second power? Well, we would have a reflection over the x-axis. Because of the negative, we're going to have a shrink of a factor of 1/2. And anytime it's in the parentheses, remember this is going to move our graph left and right. So we're going to have a horizontal translation for units left. All right. So again, we're going to stick with those main numbers that we usually do. Use the transformation to describe. We've got -2, -1. We'll talk about 0. We'll talk about 1. And we'll talk about 2 and see what kind of shape that gives us. That's going to be 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. Okay, we've got -1/2 of it. And then move so we got -2 plus 4. Oops. -2 plus 4. We're going to square that times -1/2 gives me -2. So -2, -2. We've got -1 plus 4 squared times -1/2 gives me -4.5. So it's going to be -1 comma -4.5. We got 0 plus 4 squared times -1/2 is going to give me -8. So we got 0, -8. We're going to do 1 plus 4 squared times -1/2 gives me -12.5, or so -12.5. We've got 2 plus 4 squared times -1/2 is -18. So it's going to be 2 comma -18. Let's just take a look to see where -3 would be. Because I've noticed that none of my numbers have started repeating yet. So I need to find where that vertex is. So we got -3 plus 4 squared times -1/2 is -0.5. So -3 comma -1/2. All right, let's take a look at -4. -4 plus 4 squared times -1/2 is 0. So that's going to be -4 comma 0. All right, let's take a look at negative 5. Negative 5 plus 4, square that, times negative 1/2 is negative 0.5. So we got that repetition. So let's take a look at negative 5. We're going to be at negative 1/2. At negative 4, we're at 0. Negative 3 is negative 1/2. Negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 1 is going to be negative 4.5. 0 is negative 8. So looks like such. All right, let's talk about the fact that it did do a reflection. It shrunk of 1/2, and then it did a horizontal, so it shifted to the left 4 units. So where is my vertex? The vertex is at the ordered pair 0, comma, oops, sorry, not 0, comma. Negative 4, comma. That's what I meant to say. So that's going to be negative 4, comma, 0. And my axis of symmetry is going to be x equals negative 4 because my fold is basically here. Take a moment to copy down the answers to questions 8 and 9, and then answer your debriefing question on the page that follows.